Organisation is a really important skill across the board. If you're managing clients, you're managing deadlines, you're managing targets.
I think part of it is wanting to know the detail, wanting to understand it, wanting to work out puzzles, and from that then explaining it to other people.
Communication, creativity, teamwork, those things that you can learn regardless of which job you're in.
Really, it just takes a curious mind and a real interest in IT and the ability, I suppose, to apply that.
It's very rare that you're working in IT alone. You're always going to be working with a team, whether that's working with other developers or working with designers.
So if you've worked in any kind of industry where you do have to solve problems, it's one of the biggest ones.
I think a lot of work with collaboration is one of the big things, and I think from any sector you can take that, whether that is you work within retail and you have to work as a team on a busy shop floor. Or
being able to be proactive as well is a skill that is required kind of for IT. So being able to understand an issue or see an issue before it actually occurs.
Communication is probably key in most jobs, but especially in the IT sector, you're going to come up against a lot of bugs or issues, and it's always really great if you can communicate effectively with your team.
Collaborative partnership working, if you're strong in those areas, you will definitely, I believe, excel in that IT arena.
Look at successful people and look at their traits. And it's the traits in them that has made them successful. It's not the industry that they were in, but look at their traits. Were they good? Were they a good communicator? Did they care about their people? Did they work hard? And all those things, they're within us.